Fi'n gweithio dros ymlaen Llandysul a Pontweli a ni wedi bod yn gwneud prosiect adfywio'r dref. Y syniad yw oedd i wneud yn hollol wahanol i beth bynnag sydd wedi digwydd o blaen. Fe clywed lleisiau wahanol, llwyth o lleisiau wahanol. Dechreuon ni gyda'r ardd yn wneud food resilience, wedi wneud ni wedi wneud cerddoriaeth yn y poth, ni wedi wneud doi gyda ffydd, o'n i'n lwcus i mynd i Tysil a Ffynnon. Fi wedi wneud YFC hefyd, athon ni na a oedden ni ffito mewn i break bach nhw i just clywed lleisiau nhw. Nath nhw gyd o'r cwestiynau i fod yn fair. A ni wedi bod yn lwcus heno i ddod Young Youth Club.
Mae hwnna mwy amdano fel beth sy'n ma'n barod, beth ni'n licio amdano, beth chi'n licio wneud falle mas ti fas y clwb ieuenctid hefyd.
Achos dwi'n gwybod loads o pwy ifanc sydd hoffi fel IT neu media neu performances a mae dywlon yn digwydd rownd Llandysul. Dwi'n gwybod mae un drama class digwydd yn Llandysul enw Doyle's Drama Academy. Ond besides that, dwi'n mynd a'ch digwydd i pobl ifanc i fi gwybod. Fel ffwtbol, y pêl-droed yn gael, mae cricket o rugby, a mae les at y lan y top, a boxing hefyd, ond hwnna jyst rhai sports, ond well, I'm going to hoffi sports.
Like, here it's brilliant, youth club's amazing, but like it's quite hard because with like, I don't know, there's a lack of things outside of like the youth club, which I get it, the youth club's meant for the youth. It's brilliant what is here, but if we need a break or it's too like stuffy inside, it could be good to have other options, because the park's good. But then again, there's not even a working roundabout, and the seesaw creaks more than my knees do. So, you could have a skate park, or even just like, I don't know if you've ever been to Javak, but there's like a ramp. There could just be like one ramp, just to have that element of skate.
Mae nofio I gael, lle nofio. Parc, mae'na ffain, ie. Cricket club, ie, ffon. Wel, mae ti'n chwarae pêl-drod, rugby, lot o fathau. Ffynnon, mae youth club lawr yn Ffynnon hefyd.
Back trails fel lan, tu o fel tai, lan fyna rhywle. A fel, dwi'n mynd lan am dro, neu fel build o stwff. Chwarae gwmpas gyda ffrindiau.
If I was to say now, right, you can have anything extra in Llandysul, I know how much you love this place, but if you were to have something extra here, what would that be? Would that be something to do with your hobbies?
I'm not sure, maybe like more food options, because CK doesn't have anything for me to eat and there's not many restaurants here, because pizza choice, I'm dairy free and I can't have any of the pizza, and I can have the chips, but it's like they're a bit boring on those, so some more dairy free options, or maybe like an ice cream place that also does dairy free.
Well, what's needed is a comic book shop, for one, more tourism and stuff. 2, the youth centre's good, and 3, maybe a bigger park.
Biking, trails, technically stunts off hwnna. Ie, hwnna by'n lycyn ni gweld.
Arcade, fel mwy o chwaraeon, enghraifft fel badminton, basketball, beicio trails, stuff fel la. Falle skater hefyd, fel skating ramps, fel cyfyrddin.
Heno beth o'n i'n trial wneud oedd ysgogi syniadau yr pobl ifanc, achos ar diwedd y dydd ei geiriau nhw sydd yn bwysig, ei lleisiau nhw sy'n bwysig. A jyst cael nhw I feddwl, beth sydd yn gret yn byti Llandysul, a wrth gwrs, beth bydden nhw'n licio gwella.
The idea is that we use this evidence that we gain to listen really carefully to what most people are saying, and we chase the money where we can, chasing grants to help the community basically. The big idea that is very, very different is that we're putting it all back up to the community as well. So where we've maybe consulted with certain groups, if they feel that that information would be helpful to them, we're happy to share it with them. And then more importantly, we're putting it back to the community so you can see what's being gathered.